Welcome to the new lesson. In this lesson, I will try to explain to you the Holy Grail strategy in trading. In Forex, does it exist, what is, and how to find. One which will help you to be a profitable, which will be ultimate strategy that is profitable and that will make your money. Now, when I have started trading, I was also learning the content on the internet. What is the strategy that I should use, how to be profitable, how to trade, what are the steps, how to make that happen. And usually what I have found is the forum on the web, which was mostly the Forex Factory forum, where I have read a lot of content from the users, their experience and also their strategies. And most of the time when I was reading the content, I was stumbled about Holy Grail Strategy. I didn't know what that means. What is a Holy Grail Strategy? What I was thinking that it is one kind of a strategy with certain rules that you need to follow. And after a while, I have learned that Holy Strategy is not a strategy that has certain rules, but it is a strategy that some trader has defined by its own rules, and it is a Holy Grail. Holy Grail is something that is something specific, that is profitable, and it is specific only for you, so you can call it Holy Grail. There is no Holy Grail strategy under one name with a certain rules. That is something that I have found during the learning process, after I have found the Holy Grail name of the strategy. Here you can see on the Forex Factory forum, where you have a search bar. When you type here Holy Grail, you will see lots of these content and threads with the name Holy Grail. Holy Grail, the Holy Grail found, the Holy Grail, where is the Holy Grail, is this my Holy Grail EA, and so on and so on. Now you understand, the Holy Grail is not a strategy. It is just a name for many strategies of certain traders. So there is no Holy Grail strategy with its certain rules. I wanted to inform you that the Holy Grail under the same name doesn't exist, but if you have found a strategy that works for you, you can call it the Holy Grail. The Holy Grail means that you, and only for you, that strategy is profitable, where you have a certain rules when to enter, when to exit, and how to trade. This is also called having an edge. You will find that on the internet, on specific forums, how they are defining their strategy, and they are having the edge against other traders. Now, if you for example open this one, the first thread, you will see that the Holy Grail found. The trader has said that he has traded for several years, and there is information that the price action is a king. When I have read all the threads on the forum, what I have found is that also a price action was called the Holy Grail. But many others have not agreed with that, but because everybody has subjective thoughts about their strategy and they would like to call it a Holy Grail. So for my side, in my trading, I have found that support and resistance with the supply and zones here on the chart, you can see that, horizontal lines which represent support and resistance, and the small brown area around this support and resistance area is called a supply demand zones. Now, for example, when the price goes down, you get to the demand zone. At demand zone, where is the buyers? When the price goes up, the price reaches the start of this area, which is around this resistance horizontal level. This is a supply zone, which means where the sellers are located. Now, this is the Holy Grail in my trading. The Holy Grail strategy, where I have using horizontal support and resistance. I'm using also a trend lines in this case, and supply demand zones, and that's all what I'm using. After that, I'm just selecting and defining where the price could go based on the past history, how the price has behaved around these supply demand zones, and when the breakout happens. Now, Holy Grail in this case, for example, is, for this trader, price action is a king. And when you read all the details, the traders also are happy that this trader has found his Holy Grail strategy. But there are also traders that they are saying that it is not Holy Grail because they also have their subjective thoughts about that, and they also have their strategy where they would like to add, for example, some indicator, some EA, so they will also tell this trader that they have also their Holy Grail strategy. Now you can read lots of these informations on the internet, but ultimately I would like to inform you that there is no Holy Grail strategy under that name, with specific steps, rules, when to enter and exit from the trades, but you need to find your own. When I have started and when I was learning the Holy Grail strategy, after I have found that Holy Grail strategy doesn't exist, I had an issue that I could not find specific strategy which I will use. That was a little bit problem at that time because I could not understand why there is no Holy Grail strategy, because everybody is talking about there should be one at least. And then I have started to use lots of other strategies. I was searching here on the forum which one is the best one. So I have started to trade following one of the strategy, another one using indicators, using EAs, lots of tools I have used. And after that, after several years of trading and also looking for the chart, one thing I would like to pass to you out of my knowledge is that you need to pick one symbol. For example, in this case you can use also gold, and put horizontal support and resistance lines and see how the market reacts, how the market moves. Picking only one symbol, it will allow you to understand how the market moves for that symbol, how this symbol reacts on the specific support and the resistance levels. Is there any patterns that this symbol follows? For example, in this case, you can see that the price, when it reaches this support level, from when the price was going down, from this support, you can see when the price reaches this support, most of the time it bounces back up. So this is information for you that this symbol, gold against US dollar, likes to bounce from this 2329.13 support level, and it likes to go up to here to 2356.22. So this is one of the informations you learn, and this is one of the Holy Grail strategy topics that you need to remember about this symbol. Then, for example, if you go a little bit more in the past and you learn how the price behaves, you will see that usually the gold, when it reaches support or a resistance level, when it forms a pin bar is for this kind of candle, it likes to go in the direction of pointing that pin bar. So in this case, it is a pin bar that is formed at the resistance level, which means it's pointing that the price could go down, a bearish signal. So the price tends to move there. When the price forms a bullish pin bar, which is right at the support, the price tends to move in the opposite direction, which means going up. So these are, for example, two things I have learned about gold against US dollar. And when you trade this symbol a lot during the day, you learn how it behaves, where it could reach and where it could bounce from the support or the resistance level. And when you know that about certain symbol, then you will easily predict where the price could go in the future. Now, if you take a look here, if I go to the daily time frame, the price has formed this bullish breakout, which means after the price has gone down below the support, now the price is returned back up. We can see this is a bullish breakout, cancellation of the previous bearish. This is indication, in my case, that the price will go up. And this is a signal I have learned in the past. Whenever the price does that, the price do this, what I have just said, moves in the opposite direction. And this is, for example, another case. Take a look here. The price has formed this bullish breakout. The price has gone above the resistance. but the second candle has formed a bearish signal which has took the price all the way down. So ultimately this means for me that the price could go up to here, return, and then continue to fall down because of this bearish breakout. If you take a look in the past, you will see that this scenario happens a lot. And this is something that is called I have an edge on the market, which means I know when the market will move in the certain direction. And this is the Holy Grail strategy for me. This is a way how to find your own. You need to get into one of the symbols and learn how it moves. Learn simple technique without using, for example, indicators, expert advisors, but use only simple Ds, horizontal support and resistance levels, and you can put trend lines which will form some kind of a channel, like in this example here, like in this example here. A Holy Grail strategy for the trader is the strategy that gives him the most profitable way how to make money, and that means reducing the risk, having a small risk on each trade, following the certain rules that you set, and enter on in the trade only when you have a specific trade setup that is in line with the strategy that you will use, and that is Holy Grail strategy for you. I will not get too much into details, giving you more about this Holy Grail strategy. I just wanted to explain that there is no Holy Grail strategy under that name. There is no certain rules that you need to follow which will be called Holy Grail strategy. It is a strategy for each trader which is profitable for that trader, and it is called Holy Grail. I hope this has been helpful for you, so you understand what is Holy Grail, so you do not waste your time looking for that on the forum, on the internet, on the YouTube, on any channel on the internet available, that there is no Holy Grail under that name. So do not waste time, start learning, start practicing, start testing, and you will find your own strategy. If you would like to learn this one, I have lots of videos on my YouTube channel where you can learn more details how to use this one, a simple one without indicators, and the only one that I'm currently using. This is all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, ask anything, and if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. If you know that this will be helpful for other traders, feel free to share with them. See you next time, and happy trading!